Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in for day 2 of multiplication review. Yesterday, we did the area model of multiplication. Today, we are going to do old school, okay, or the standard algorithm multiplication review. Now, in class, we used the little saying, many zoos, many animals, to keep us on track and make sure that we're doing all the steps that it takes to solve one of these problems. Now, the first thing we do is multiply the ones place. We put our 0 as our placeholder. Remember, 0 is your hero. Multiply the tens place. And then we add. So what I have done, I've gone ahead and set up some problems like we did in class. And I've turned my paper sideways so I don't lose track of my numbers. They're nice and neat. I can tell what I have multiplied, what I haven't, and it just helps me stay on track with my place value. Okay, so we're going to start off with our ones place. And we are going to multiply 1 times 534. Okay? We're going to ignore this 3 in the tens place right now. So 1 times 4, of course, is 4. And then we're going to skip on over. 1 times 3 is 3. And we have to do 1 times 5, which is 5. Now we are finished with our ones place. We have to put this little placeholder here. 0 is our hero. Remember him. Then we can move on to the tens place. Okay, so we are going to multiply 534 times 3. All right. So 3 times 4 is 12. Put our 2, carry our 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Then 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. That's a lot of arrows, I know. So we have multiplied our ones place times 534, our tens place times 534. We have our placeholder here. And so now we are going to add all of our numbers up, find out what we get. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 0, remember, if there's nothing there, that's like having a 0. So 0 plus 6 is 6. Once again, nothing there. 1 plus 0 is 1. So the product of 534 and 31 is 16,554. All right, I'm going to do another one and cut out all the arrows, okay? So we're going to we start out in our ones place. We do 4 times 435. All right. So we're going to start here. 4 times 5 is 20. Put our 0 here, carry our 2. Okay. Then 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 2 is 14. Put our 4 here, carry our 1. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Now we've multiplied 435 by 4. We are finished with our ones place. Put our 0 here to hold it. And we are moving to our tens place. So now we're doing 2 times 435. All right. So 2 times 5 is 10. Carry our 1. We can mark out this 2 because we've already used that and this one. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we add. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 7 is 14. Carry our 1. Then 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus our little extra guy up here is 10. So the product of 435 and 24 is 10,440. I have one more to do with you for practice today. All right. And we are starting in the ones place. We're going to do 6 times 325. So 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 3, 15. Carry our 1. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. I'm putting my placeholder 0 there. We are moving to the tens place. Finished with the ones. Now we're going to do 325 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Put our 0 here. Carry our 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. Put our 0 here. Carry our 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1, 13. I'm out of numbers here, okay? I'm done with my tens place. Now I add them up. I have 0, 5, 9, 4, and 1. So the product, or the answer, to 325 times 46 is 14,950. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I hope that you are practicing this multiplication as well as just your basic multiplication facts. Tune in tomorrow, and we are going to start reviewing division. I know that's something that a lot of you struggle with. Don't stress it. We're going to review it. All right. Have a fantastic day. Get outside and enjoy the sunshine.